Hi, it's Michael from the Mathematics Workshop with the first lesson on fractions. And with this table here, in this column, the number of equal parts or groups the thing is divided into. So if you have something like a cake that's divided into two equal parts, such as, here's the cake, green cake, and we'll just have to pretend that they're equal parts, so two equal parts. The fraction name and number of each part for the cake is 1/2. 1/2, and the number for 1/2 is 1/2, and the 1 in 1/2 is this one here, and the half, the number 2 on the bottom tells you that you're talking about halves here. If you have something divided into 3 equal parts or groups, the name of each of those parts or groups is 1/3. And the fraction number for 1/3 is 1/3. And once again, the 1 is this number on the fraction, the one on the top that you can see, and the third, the number in the fraction that tells you that it's thirds, is the 3 on the bottom. If you have something divided into 4 equal parts or groups, the fraction name for each part or group is 1/4 or 1/4. So probably 1/4 is the most commonly used name for fourths or quarters. So 1/4, and once again, this one tells you there's a 1 on top of the fraction, and the quarter, use the number 4 to show that you're talking about quarters. And once you get past these three fractions, the rest of them go like this. So I'll change to black. So if you have something divided into 5 equal parts or groups, each part or group is called 1/5. Now this is not quite what I was trying to point out, but 1/5, the one on top of the fraction, and the fifth, talking about 5 equal parts, so it has a 5 on the bottom. And from this point on, so let's suppose you have something divided into 10 equal parts or 10 equal groups. Each of those parts, or one of those parts or groups, you would call 1/10. And all you do for this from here on is you just put that number, so 10, same as this 10 here, and just add th at the end, so 1/10. And the fraction for that is 1/10. And one more example. And the last example, if you had something that was divided into 13 equal parts or groups, each part or each group would be 1/13. So the fraction name is 1/13, and the fraction number for 1/13 in words is 1/13. Okay, so download the PDF exercise. It's a little bit more practice on this little exercise if you need to do that. And if you do have any questions or comments about this lesson, please leave them in the box below the video, and I'll see you in the next lesson.